Hi, I'm Dan Casson, and I started with Dr. Lau in October of 2006. It was because of my shoulder. I hurt my right shoulder when I was picking up a box and I was traveling. I can't remember what city I was in because I travel from city to city. And it was 3 weeks before I could get any help from a doctor or a chiropractor. And I didn't really think about the chiropractor at first. I thought about my doctor. I went to my doctor, had an appointment, and my doctor said, well, I don't really know what's wrong, but why don't you do this? Why don't you take 2 ibuprofen for 2 weeks and then come back and see me, and then we'll see if we need to take x-rays and the like. Okay, that wasn't real helpful, so I had an appointment that same afternoon with Dr. Lau, and I walked in and I told him what was up. And before I took the ibuprofen or anything else, Dr. Lau made some adjustments in my back and in my shoulder. 50% of the pain was gone just that one day. And so I continued to come back again and again for various things. Occasionally my shoulder would act up again as I was traveling and still lifting things. And then my back, my lower back, I had 2 compressed discs, and Dr. Lau has helped me with that as well. I've tried to send people to Dr. Lau, and I keep talking to them about it, and I keep checking with them to say, have you been to Dr. Lau yet? And they say no. Anybody who has a back pain, anybody who has neck pain, anybody who has shoulder pain, anybody who has any leg pain, you need to see Dr. Lau because he knows where to go to fix that pain, to get rid of that pain and to fix the problem. So I recommend Dr. Lau. I recommend that you call him for those issues and more. Thank you.